Watch this video till the end to know how and in which different watch till the end to know what all things are there in Inshot app, this app, and what exactly and how we can use the tools in this app, the editing tools. Okay guys, so let's get started quickly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Proceedinstyle, and today we are going to check that how Inshot works for video editing, and it's simply awesome and very quick. So let's get started guys. If you are really thinking how it works, or if you really want to edit your videos on Inshot, so this video is perfectly for you and you only. Okay guys, so let's start. This is Inshot app. You can see here we edited this image in my last video. Now we are going back, discard for now, because we are doing a video. We'll do it from start. Okay, so videos, video, photo, collage. There are three options. We'll click on the first, new. We will say you can take any video, like supposedly I'm taking this video. Okay, how to remove this watermark for free? Just close your net for ads to not interfere in between, and you can get this free remove. Only this app will provide you free remove of Inshot logo, and that's really amazing guys. So you can see now the logo is removed, and I'll just make this volume 0 because I don't know which hen is making noise in this, so let's make it 0. So you can see this is a video, complete video. You can see this guys. This is a video I have taken when I went to see some hens out there. Okay, so how I will edit this video? If I want to add one more, you can see this add option. On add option either. Okay guys, so you can see long press to swap. They are saying long press to swap. So you can swap it like this, whichever video you want it first, second, third, you can swap it that way. Right now I'm keeping it like this, and also you can increase, decrease your video from where you want to actually start it. This is also possible over here. You can put music, whichever you want. You can extract it from audio, you can import, you can use your favorites, for you music, my music, effects. You can put effects also, transition, bells, popular, everything is there in this guys. What is not there, everything is there. So all other musics you can use, and you can make it happen. You can put a audio here, and you can start. I'll show it to you how it appears. Music I'll extract from a video. If this is a video and there's a music, so it's going to be visible like this guys. If you want to delete the music, just tap on it. See the delete option. If you want to increase voice, you can increase. Delete, split also. If you want only this much part and you want to delete this much, you can keep this much also, and then delete this. So hope you guys know how to use your music. Text I showed you how to use. If you want to delete this text also, you can tap on it and then delete it. Plus you can put any filter on any of your videos. You can adjust as per the lighting, whatever you wish to do, and save it. PIP is, you can use any from this. On the side you can keep, you want to show anything from the video, that is PIP. You can add image, that is why it is PIP. Pre-cut is if you want to start your video from here, not from start and from some other place. You can cut it like this and you can paste it. It automatically does. You want to split your video into two halves. There are two videos, but I tap on this and you can exchange it. and you can delete any one of it. If you want to put a background, you can put a background from any of such backgrounds which I have chosen, but for now we don't need all that for videos much. If you want to make it more innovative, you can increase the speed of your videos also. You can take it to 0.20 max to 100, whatever speed you want to. You can keep on increasing, decreasing as per which part of your video you want to keep. Voice effect, unmute audio to retry. If you want to unmute your audio, first unmute it. Voice effect, you can use any, like this, call, speaker, like the fan, robotic, alien, girl, boy, baby, and no, like that you can use. I'm keeping my volume 0. You can use denoise also. I'll show it to you. There's a lot of noise here. I denoise it, so no noise. Okay, denoise off. Denoise on is this, no noise you can hear. Denoise. Okay, so replace. If you want to replace that with this, you can quickly replace this image here instead of this image. You can see, guys, I replaced a video completely. So if I don't want to replace it, or I want to replace the other part of the video this way also, I can. You can reverse it. The video only you can reverse. Again, rotate it the way you want to, reverse it. It will take time to pre-code, and then it will get reversed like this. Okay, guys, so this was first, this was second, now it got reversed. You can flip this video this way. Okay, and also after this you can see a freeze option. You can also freeze the video like this. If you remove this option, it can move, but if you freeze this, then it will be staying steady. So you can see, because of reverse same type videos, there are 3-4, so I'll delete some of them by delete option. Click on that, then use delete. Click on that, use delete. Okay, you can use all of these. Duration also is how much speed you want to keep. Flip or freeze. Okay, it's like this. Are you guys getting what it is? So where is freeze option taken? Freeze when we say, suppose imagine if I do freeze. Okay, guys, you can see the volumes are 100, 49, 10, or like that. You can use or record anything. You can allow Inshot to record, and you can start recording. So if I'm saying something, it gets recorded, and it will be here. You can see. Recording. So if I'm saying something. That is my voice, but it's how it is. Hope you guys understood this whole video, how you can edit. You can put the background, denoise it, freeze it, flip, duplicate, everything. Hope you guys understood each and everything. You can keep any canvas. For YouTube, you need to keep this canvas. So what you can do is you can rotate the image and you can keep it. Where's rotation? Yeah, this way you can keep it for YouTube. Okay, guys, hope you have understood this. Meet you in the next video with some more tips for other apps. If you want, please let me know in the comments. I'll be making such videos for you all, which helps you in editing, and you will also know how I edit my own videos. Okay, guys, till then, see you. Bye bye, take care, and always stay in style. Bye bye, guys. Hope you understood each and every step from this, but I forgot to show you how to save it. Put on save. You can edit the resolution 720p. I always keep it 1080p. Frame rate also you can keep it 30 fps, 50 fps, 60 fps. Format also, if you want a GIF, you can make a GIF out of it, or MP4. an estimated size is already given, so you can change as per you want. Okay, so you have to check in your gallery whether you could save the video or not. This you don't need. Okay, you have to check in your gallery, guys. Let's check in my gallery whether I can see. Oops. Let's check in my gallery whether I can see it. Photos. Yes, I could find the video. You can see it is here. You guys got it? So it got saved without your logos. Got it?